Quantum X Upright Water Filter Vacuum. The best Bagless household vac cleaner with water and MicroSilver filtration to clean wet and dry messes. This is the best household vacuum that uses no traditional filters. Quantum X uses regular tap water as a filter to capture dirt, debris, pet hair, dander and more. You'll never have to change clogged filters that recontaminate your house. You'll never lose suction or airflow while you're using it. Quantum X is engineered to work on all floor types, easily picking up both dry and wet messes. Also automatically adjusts to all floor heights, transitions between floor types automatically and easily. Its one-of-a-kind telescoping body gives it a 4-inch clearance to reach an extra 18 inches under tight spaces and extend below furniture to get to where all the dirt, dust and pet hair hide. Includes 3 attachments. Get exclusive discount and details product, click link in description.